This one for class 3, the subject social studies and the chapter 4 physical features of India. Firstly, all of you know that India is a large country. Mane India ekhon bahut dangor country and it has many landforms like the high snow-covered mountains. Means the mountains which are covered by the snow. Jibilak mountain snow mane borofere cover hoi ase. Then green flat lands mane green color flat homan land area ase. Lower hills mane jikhini mountain etko sapor ase hekini hills bili koy. These are lower hills. Then sandy dry areas mane hukan আৰু বালিৰে ভৰা কিছুমান এৰিয়া আছে. All these great features means the landforms make India the most beautiful country of the world. Means all the landforms like mountains, plain, plateaus, desert, all are make India very beautiful. The number one physical features of India is the northern mountain regions. The Himalayas lie to the north of India. Himalaya kod ase? India north ot ase. These mountain ranges are so cold, bahut thanda, and so high, bahut ukho, that some of the peaks always remain covered with snow. Mane etu imane thanda aru imane ukho tar kisuman peaks ase jibilak any time snow mane borofere covered hoi thake like this. The word Himalayas means the home of snow. Means Himalaya is mainly covered with snow. So Himalayas is also called the home of snow. Mount Everest in Nepal is the highest peak in the Himalayas as well as in the world. Mane Himalayas jitu highest peak ase hetu ki Mount Everest, and this is the highest peak in all over the world. Mane gutei prithibir bhitote hetu highest peak hoy. Many rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and Satluj have their origins in the Himalayas. Means from Himalayas so many rivers are originated like the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and Satluj. The central and southern parts of our country also have mountain ranges, but they are not as high as the Himalayas. These ranges are called hills. Means central aru southern part to kisman mountain ranges ase, kintu ei mountains kini Himalaya saman ukho nohoy. So ekhini ki bili koy hills. Mane mountain etke jodi sapor hoy hebilakok ki koy hills. For example, the Satpura and the Vindhya ranges are found in central India. This one Satpura range and this one Vindhya mountain range. And the Nilgiri hills are located in where? Located in South India. This one. Then number 2 features the northern plains of India. The northern plains of India situated to the south of the Himalayas. Kot ase Himalaya south ot ase. And these are called as flat land. Homan karone ta ki bili koy flat land. And this one formed by the fertile soil. This one the Great Plain or the northern plain of India. The rivers such as the Ganga and Yamuna flow down through these plains. Means in northern plain there are two main rivers are flow, Ganga and Yamuna, and they have made a land green. So a good number of people live in the northern plains. Means There are two main rivers, the Ganga and Yamuna, and these rivers make the land very fertile, so people are easily live in where? Live in northern plain. Along the eastern and the western coast of India, narrow strips of plains are found, and these plains meet at a place called Kanyakumari in the south. Means eastern and western coast of India also found some plain areas, and these plain areas are meet at a place which is called what? This is called Kanyakumari in the south. Rivers like the Tapti, Godavari, Narmada, Kaveri, Mahanadi and Krishna flow through these plains and ultimately fall into the sea. আৰু ইয়াৰ মাজেদি যোৱা ৰিভাৰ্ছবিলাক কি তাপ্তি, গোদাবৰী, নৰ্মদা, কাবেৰী, মহানদী এণ্ড কৃষ্ণা। আৰু সেইখিনি ফ্ল' হয় একেবাৰে শেষত ক'ত পৰেগৈ বুলি কৈছে? ফল ইনটু দ্য সি। Next features is Southern Plateau. Plateau is an area of flat land that is higher than the land around it. Plateau কি বুলি কৈছে? Plateau to এটা flat land area হয়, কিন্তু তাৰ surrounding যিটো land area থাকে তাতকে অলপ ওখ থাকে। A peninsula is a land that reaches out into the sea and it is surrounded by water on three sides. আৰু peninsula বিলাকক তিনটা সাইডৰ পৰা water কি হৈ থাকে? আগুৰি থাকে। This one Southern Plateau or the Peninsular Plateau of India. The southern part of our country is mostly formed by the plateau and peninsula. Means the southern part of India formed by what? Formed by plateau and peninsula. It is called the Deccan Plateau or the Southern Plateau. তাক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? Deccan Plateau or Southern Plateau. This part is called Deccan Plateau or Southern Plateau. It covers the biggest part of our country. মানে আমাৰ দেশৰ ইণ্ডিয়াৰ সবতকৈ বেছি part কিহে কভাৰ কৰি আছে? The Deccan Plateau or the Southern Plateau. The land is rocky, hard and uneven. It is less fertile than the plains. কিন্তু plain এৰিয়াতকৈ এই Deccan Plateau বা Southern Plateau কমকৈ fertile হয়। However, it is extremely rich in minerals. কিন্তু তাত কি বেছিকৈ পোৱা যায়? Minerals. Most of the rivers in the Southern Plateau are small. তাত যিবিলাক rivers আছে সেইবিলাক small হয়, সৰু river. They depend on the rain for water and get dried up in summer. আৰু সেইবিলাকৰ পানীটো কিহৰ ওপৰত ডিপেণ্ড কৰে? ৰেইনফলৰ ওপৰত। মানে ৰেইনফল হ'লেহে সেই ৰিভাৰবিলাকত পানী হয়। আৰু সামাৰত বেছিকৈ গৰম পোৱাৰ কাৰণে সেই ৰিভাৰবিলাক কি হয়? শুকাই যায়। This one Southern Plateau. The Vindhya and the Satpura ranges of hills separate the Southern Plateau from the Northern Plains. Means the Southern Plateau and Northern Plains are divided by what? Divided by Vindhya and Satpura ranges. The next features is the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert, also called as the Thar Desert, and it covers the northwestern part of our country. This desert is dry, hot and sandy. The major part of it is located in Rajasthan. Means the Thar Desert is very dry, hot and sandy, and it is located where? It is located in Rajasthan. This one. It receives very less rainfall, so very few trees and plants grow here. See, this area is very hot and only covered with sand. The camel is the most important means of transport here. Means only camel is the most important transport on desert area. It carries goods and people across the desert sand, and it is therefore also called the Sea of the Desert. The last physical features of India is the island of India. India has two groups of islands. Number A, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and number B, the Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie on the eastern side in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman and Nicobar Island ক'ত আছে? Eastern side আছে, মানে India eastত আছে আৰু Bay of Bengal আছে. The Lakshadweep Islands are located to the western side in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep আছে India west sideত আৰু ক'ত আছে? Arabian Sea. See, this one east, and here found Bay of Bengal, and Andaman and Nicobar Island located here, and this one west, and this one Arabian Sea, and here the Lakshadweep Island located. Then the last questions for this chapter. Do you know what is an island? Island means what? An island is called as a small piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Like this. Means the land area which is covered by water on all the sides. Lastly, from this chapter, today we discuss about the different physical features of India. And the number one features is the Great Himalayan region. Number 2, the Great Northern Plain. Then number 3, Deccan Plateau and Southern Plateau. Then number 4, Great Indian Desert. Then number 5, the island of India, the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and the Lakshadweep Island. Thank you.